I will do my very best to give you a garden tour of our current situation. Pardon my building materials. I'm still building. Here we are coming up to the life-size collodion statues. The one on the right here does not have the symbol on her hand, but that's in the house. That will be reattached. Okay, let me slip around here. Up over the bridge. Well, it's early in the season, but statue in the middle of the river actually goes up on top of the main fountain. The two other statues are meant for either side, but it's a rather big production. My wife has her boxwoods surrounding the entire fountain, so it'll give you a rough idea of the size. At the moment, I'm under the canopy, and if you'll look past her hydrangeas, that is the centerpiece for the main fountain, and our little BMW behind it. But she has her fish and cherubs up on the fountain right now. As I already stated, the centerpiece for the fountain is in the middle of the river, and the other two are on the side. Continue around. She's got her swing back there. Let's see. We'll take a walk. Oh yeah, those roses looked a little better earlier, but we had some rain. Come around this way. There is the beginning of the waterfall. Back in the corner there, we have a peach tree. There's a plum tree going across the waterfall. We get to another peach tree. Come back this way. I guess I won't go to the other peach tree. Things are kind of wet out here right now. We had a very rainy day. Just pissy all day long. The weeping trees that you see are weeping mulberries. The other hedges and bushes are topiaries that aren't trimmed yet for this season. I have a turtle shape that I trimmed already. There's a pheasant and was it a crane? I forget now. But got that one. More of the boxwoods. More of the fountain. Everything over here right now is just totally overgrown. But that's what a day makes. Let's see. Yep, around the topiaries. And back over here, she has her elephant. Another one of the topiaries I've been working on. Once again, overgrown, has to be cleaned up. More fountains. Irises are coming up good. Let's see. Okay, hydrangeas. Yeah, Oh, her phlox is coming up. Uh, let's see. This one here. Oh. Let's see. It's not portucalis, but I'm trying to remember. Starts with a B. Well, she has more plants than I could possibly remember. And once again, back to some boxwoods and across the bridge. Oh, geez, slippery. Oh. Yeah. And back to all my building materials. Now the other fountain real quick. So, yeah, tons going on.